Okay guys, we're going to do something extraordinarily awesome today here at HeavyTek. We're going to install an SSD by Silicon Power. It's going to be this right here. And we're going to show you today on the channel what you need to install an SSD. This, it's very, very important that you have this tool right here. You're going to need this right here and all of these. So we're going to do a step-by-step of how you install an SSD. As you can see, we have some SSDs already, and we're going to install them in the rig right here. All right, guys, we're going to do step 1 of installing the SSD.